Yo, what is up? It's your boy K.I.P Customs and Restorations by your very own. And today, on this early morning, I am bringing you all some deep cleans. I have a lot of pairs that I'm working on. Some are my personal pair, like these Playoff 13s and these Fire Red 3s that are going to be a custom. I don't want to reveal what those are going to be soon, but just know that those are about to get freaked by me. These are custom. Well, yes, these are customs, but these are clients. All three of these right here. Two of these 3s and then these 6s are going to my new teammate at Jada God Customs. I'm gonna at him right here. Follow him. Y'all still see my finger pointing at his name? Follow that man. All right, cool. But yeah, so I am now a brand ambassador for Goat Cleaner, greatest of all cleaner. And y'all, I don't sell or promote any you know, half-done products. This is pure quality stuff. You know, I've been seeing them around lately. I was like, let me give them a try. Tried them out. Now I'm a brand ambassador for them. This is some high quality stuff. I actually got to re-up. I've been using it so much, Jesus. But I also got RESHOEVEN8R. I've been wanting to try RESHOEVEN8R for the longest, and they rebranded their brand, which I like, the new design, the new patent they got going. So I'm gonna, you know, compare and contrast my brand ambassador cleaner from RESHOEVEN8R. And let's see who wins, the big dogs or the new guy on the block. I think it's gonna be new guy on the block because I've used this stuff 3 times before. I think 4 now. And the shoes, you know, it's been like butter. All the dirt, grime, you name it. Everything's come off like butter. But let's go ahead and compare and contrast. All the right shoes are going to be cleaned with Goat. All the lefts are going to be cleaned with RESHOEVEN8R. So I'm going to organize everything real quick, make sure I don't mix them up, and get things popping. Yo, what's good, y'all? So yesterday was Friday and we did the right shoes with the famous Goat Cleaner. Today is Saturday and we are going to use RESHOEVEN8R. Stay tuned, check these bad boys out. So what is up, guys? We are now back in my room. So here are some quick compare and contrast of a few pairs. I'm not going to show all the pairs. I just want to show these 2s because these are clients. These are Pure Money 4s. By the way, these were super hard to get these in this specific size. A boy is 6.5, and then my Fire Red 3s that will soon be a custom. Don't want to give that away. I think I already did earlier in the video, but whatever. So this is the Goat Cleaner. This is RESHOEVEN8R. They definitely both did great. Don't be fooled by all this gunk. This is just adhesive spray that's been sitting up there for years, and I never really started or finished that project when I started them a few years back. So that's why there's some of that gunk still up there, but it was way worse than this. These are both evenly matched products. I will say that with the RESHOEVEN8R, I liked how regardless of what package you got 3 different brushes. One was soft, the other one was medium, and then the other one was hard. And the hard one was to get more of the sole gunk. The medium was to get, you know, deeper dirt, and the soft was just kind of just to brush the surface, get a little bit of, you know, minor dirt off there. So that's what I like about RESHOEVEN8R. But Goat didn't let me down as promised. Shoes look brand new, and that goes for both pairs. Like, I know I'm talking about the Fire Reds, but these 2 in the Pure Monies, I used the hard brush to get a lot of gunk off. There was way more gunk than this little minor stuff right here. So I was impressed by that. Goat didn't let me down, you know, regardless of bristles, type, it still did some work with just the basic cleaner package I had. Definitely gotta get, there's a different package, I don't know the name of it, but GOAT has it. I'm gonna invest in that later because I'm running low. But these are 2 great cleaners. But of course, I want you all to shop GOAT. I'm their favorite brand ambassador, so go shop GOAT Cleaner and use my promo code. Hey, sorry about that last part cutting out. My dad woke up and started talking. But like always, I'm gonna push GOAT Cleaner because I'm their favorite and brand ambassador, and their stuff is legit. I'm gonna promote quality stuff. I mean, shop RESHOEVEN8R too, but definitely shop GOAT Cleaner solution. GOAT Cleaner, you know, shoe cleaner solution or whatever. I got tongue tied real quick. And use promo code K.I.P Customs 13 right here. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share to your story, your friends, your family, you name it, and just support your boy, man. Thank y'all so much. Bye.